Hello everyone, my name is Vincent Tatan and I'm going to present to you about my midterm research for computational photography, seam carving. So the goal is to conduct image resizing for reduction and expansion, and of course to become more content aware by using seam carving technique. And this technique is presented by algorithm of Fidan Shamir and Rubinstein. So these are the scope of this research, in which we are going to use the 2007 and 2008 papers. And this technique summarizes several techniques. So the first one is that this technique will introduce seam insertion and seam removal in both vertical and horizontal direction. And then the second one, if the target height and width are greater than the original pictures, meaning the image is enlarged, then we will use seam insertion, otherwise seam removal. The third one, the algorithm will start manipulating seams in columns, then it will rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise to manipulate seams in the rows, so width and height. Then finally, we will repeat steps 1 to 3 by using forward and backward energies with a predefined kernels. And we also use some algorithms of CV2, such as CV2.split, SHAR, and filter2D. And these are the results. So as you can see, the original picture at the left, and then we are trying to resize it at the right. And in the middle, you can see the seams there that actually cut the energies that are the lowest. So those are the seams that are being removed, and it still looks very natural. And for the seam insertions, you can see that the dolphin is a little bit more elongated here, and also the splash. But if you can see at the sun, it's actually not elongated as much. So it still looks very natural, and it looks more like paintings now. Then this is the seam removal using forward and backward energies. So you can see at the left side is a bench. In the middle and the right seams, it seems that the bench dimension keeps as it is, but the backward energies is more balanced to the left and right, so it looks a little bit more natural without anything hidden. And finally, the seam insertions. So those are the original image at the left, and you can see the forward and backward energies in the middle and the right. So there is a little bit of a curve here, like a little bit of unnatural seams that makes the car a little bit more elongated. But then I think for backwards, it's slightly more better because at the right side, it actually inserts more seams. So if you are taking a look at the car, the right side is actually more balanced because of the yellow portions here is more proportional. Right. So using this technique, we actually have added values to the contents, and we can ensure that the contents stay meaningful without distortion from scaling. So remember this seam carving. Thank you so much for listening, and goodbye.